Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today is a Monday, June 13th, right? Yeah, June 13th, 2022. I am in the PA account. Today was day one. Just trying to get some ground to stand on right now as I get started. I'm up 29 ticks. I took a trade. I'll show you the trade here in a second. Ended up getting, had 6 trades for 29 ticks. I went down 17 before going up 29. The trade winner was, I'll show you. My screen dropped 12, is right here. This is when I took the trade on. Volume really wasn't giving me anything, but we just barely went over this. Look back here, and the market was just holding. So I was trading back towards pivot, and it came back on this move right here and took me out. But I ended up getting myself the win. I didn't need much to go back to the positive. Let me get this. Let me turn that down behind me. Listen to some, I don't know, medieval folk music here lately. I don't know why I'm into that, but it just keeps my mind off of other things, I guess. I noticed that when I play hard rock, I usually, sometimes I don't uh, allow my mind to work properly. So classical music, jazz, things that don't get me fired up seem to make me a trade better when my mind's in a better frame of mind other than, say, hard rock music or hard country or whatever. Something that just kind of mellow. It seems to work better for me. I don't know how that works for you, but I like to have something in the background, something mellow playing pretty much, and then it helps me overall. So looks like day one. I'm not excited about trading at this point in time. Um, I got 52.66.24 right now. Let's see here. What do we got? 53.30 is the account high, peak balance, and threshold value trailing behind says 47.830. And you notice it does say PA account, so where I'm in the performance account again, the real money account. If you watched any of my other prior videos, you know I started with Apex on March 30th, I believe was the day it's either March 30th or March 28th. I think I started officially trading at March 30th, and I've been in, this is my third attempt at the PA account, 3. Um, I've done pretty good overall. I've had 2 bad trading days that have cost me my PA accounts over the past, so that's basically what I'm trying to correct this time around, is the one bad trading day. I know it's coming. It's got to come. It's inevitable. You've got to have a bad trading day. Even though I'm 90% correct, overall, I'll win 9 out of 10 days, 8 out of 10 days. It's that one day that will do me in. So that's the boogeyman that I've got to watch out for this time around. I want to stay in it. Um, I want to be a dentist. I want to keep moving forward, and this time I want to be able to withdraw, right? I want to be able to take money away. And the first couple withdrawals, according to PA account, you can only take out 2,000 a pop. So even, so I mean, for me personally, I need to get that above like 5 to 7,000 to feel comfortable about taking 2,000 out. Granted, the last time I've been able to get 3,000 on I think 5 days. I did it on 8 days, and it took me 13 days the last time around. So if I average all that out, it's like 7 to 8 to 9 days. Now it's going to take a little bit longer to get there, I believe, because of the last few times the um, volatility in the measurement that I use has been higher. Now it's down in the 4 range as opposed to 12 and 13 that we saw when I was trading in April. So that translates out to a 21 tick stop on one contract, which I I did hit today, and on the 1R it was what, 42 today. So if you look at, pull out the ATM2, there you see it, 21 and 42. There's what, 63 versus 8. Anyway, it works out to be 2 to 1. 8, I can't even count there, 12, 128 to 63, right? 8, yeah, 128 to 63 works out roughly 2 to 1. It's the afternoon trading that I go after. 30 minutes pretty much is the time frame I try to give myself. Today I was in trading between 1:30 and 2. This is actually a really nice setup right here. Coming into close. Look at that right there. Fourth time through and down. It's actually a really nice setup. Let's get that. I think it's called, where is it, right here? Trend channel, I think they call it. So far it looks like we got 3, right? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and this is trying to be the 4th time breakthrough. Put it, X marks the spot down here. I didn't catch that early enough. This is what it looks like on the 15-minute chart. See, almost a doji bar, and then coming off of that, back to pivot at close, 230 mark. This had the Fibonacci retracement on here, looking for the market to fall. Basically, I was looking for a fall back to the 50% mark. This is a pretty interesting area right in here. Look at that. We've been there. But here's the next water line right down in this area. And that coincides with the roughly the 50% mark. Yeah, if I could have just seen that a little bit earlier, I could have got involved in this. I think I was satisfied at plus 29 ticks. We might get one more move up before it comes back down, maybe. That would be a third attempt up there, though. Could form a head and shoulders, though. Let's see if it does. I used to call this the Ziggy Man. It's one of my favorite setups. You got your head and shoulders, right? The Ziggy Man. There's his fingers on this side, and then coming on down off the head and shoulders pattern. I always called it the Ziggy Man. It reminds me of the Ziggy guy with the brick wall. You have your bricks here, and then you guys going and hitting that brick wall down. This is moving a lot lower than I expected. I mean, no, it's actually working out to be perfect. I just didn't catch it in time. It's that 4th time through. This is the 4th time through right here. 1, 2, 3, fourth time through. I just didn't see it in time to be able to catch this. But I'm up 29 ticks right now. I did see it, but it took me a little long to see it. I caught it, but it was right after the fact. All right, I'm going to pause here. We're going to take a look at the market here in a few minutes. It's 2:05. All right, so I tried a couple trades, and I lost 50 ticks. Actually, I was down a lot more, and I finished down 49,874. I came in a little too early. Should have waited. I mean, literally, I tried to take it on back here, and it came back up and hit me. And then I was able to catch this move right here to get back almost to even. But overall, it's a losing day. I didn't want to trade anymore into this day. I wasn't satisfied at plus 29, obviously, so I wanted to get more. Thought it was available, and it was available. I just didn't catch it the right move. I was looking for, basically, honestly, what I was looking for was a move back in the close, not to go up, which it did right here, but to come down into here. This is what I was looking for. It did reach basically back to pivot again, and this bar right there is where I ended up getting almost back to break even. But I did go down almost 1,000, I believe, before I made my move going the other direction. So I had a swing from plus 29 ticks going down to 80 ticks, I believe. So 80 and 29. And then I went to go minus 5 ticks to finish the day. Oh well. But I did catch a little bit of that move coming back. I caught this one right here, coming back down here, and that got me almost to break even. I just closed out when I got close and called it a day, because it's better than being down 500 bucks. It tricked me. It tricked me into close. I believed at the 215 to 230 mark we were going to make a move back to the 50% area. The market was set up to do it. We had the Ziggy Man come back over, what I was talking about before. So we had this move. This is the one that kind of got me, knocked me out, because I got in here and then it went up here. And I believe I caught this move in the close. I held and caught that one. But this is the one that caught me, this going back up. In hindsight, I should have never traded it. I missed the fourth time through move. I missed this one right here, and I should have just stayed away from it. So it came back up. I didn't come back up to there though, but it was already in the trade. Missed profit, but I was able to get back almost even. So didn't kill the account on day one. I can easily make that back tomorrow with a decent trade setup if I just pay attention to what I'm doing right now, right? So just stupid trading on day one. I'm a very aggressive trader on day one. I've always been aggressive on day one, trying to make for the big win to start with. So I was very aggressive. I was able to get myself, I was up 29 ticks, went down minus 80, so a 100 tick swing there from up 29 to minus 80, 100 tick swing going the other way. And then I was able to finish up minus 5, so I made back 75 ticks of that loss to finish up minus 5. So with commission costs, I had 19 trades altogether, I believe. let's look here. Yeah, 19 trades, $75 commission costs. So yeah, not a great trading day for me on day one. I'm fortunate to be able to move on to day two. So they got right at the brink of me having to stop trading. I think I was down minus 800, and I had made that mental note that if I went down 1,000, I was going to quit. So I got very close to hitting my max daily loss today. So let's regroup. Positive news is I didn't blow the account, so hopefully I can learn from today and continue to move forward in this. That I did follow my plan. Although I probably should have stopped at my plus 29 ticks today and called it a day when I missed that one trade. I allowed myself to trade again and just about turn a winning day into a losing day. Not such a great trading day for me overall. All right. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.